You know how some things just appear? Like magic, they're suddenly everywhere, and then poof, they're gone. Well, there's this one incredible purple fruit that does exactly that, showing up for just a tiny window each year. Today, we're going to get to know this fleeting little superfruit.
And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? This quote just nails the feeling. It's that scarcity, you know? Nature's own limited time offer. It's what makes the jamun so incredibly treasured, and a delicious little reminder to just slow down and enjoy what's right in front of us.
So, what is a jamun exactly? You might hear it called a black plum. It's this gorgeous, deep purple fruit from South Asia, and its flavor is a real journey. It starts sweet, then it hits you with this sharp tartness, and it finishes with this slightly astringent kick that kind of makes your mouth pucker in the best way. It's totally addictive.
All right, so first up, let's properly meet this little purple jewel and figure out why its short visit is such a big deal.
Oh, you'll know when jamun season hits. The markets are just flooded with them, this sea of deep purple. And eating them is a whole experience. You're just popping them one after another, and yep, you're definitely getting those signature purple-stained fingers and tongue. It's a simple, messy, and absolutely joyful thing.
Okay, but beyond that amazing flavor, jamun is packing some serious health benefits. This is not just a tasty snack, you guys. It's a legit nutritional powerhouse.
Jamuns are famous for helping to support blood sugar levels. They're also jam-packed with antioxidants, super low in calories, amazing for your digestion and gut, and can even help give your liver a little boost. It's pretty much a full-body tune-up in a tiny, delicious package.
And look, this isn't just talk. Research, like a study noted by the National Library of Medicine, shows that jamun is loaded with good stuff like vitamin C, iron, and these things called flavonoids. They're all crucial for your immune system, your skin, your overall health, really.
So why is it so great for blood sugar? Well, a big reason is its low glycemic index. That just means it won't send your blood sugar on a wild roller coaster ride. You combine that with its anti-inflammatory powers, and you've got a fruit that's actively looking out for your heart and your whole metabolic system.
All right, enough of the science lesson. Let's get into the kitchen. We're going to start on the savory side of things with 2 recipes that are guaranteed to wake up your taste buds. First up is this super punchy Jamun chutney. I mean, if you love a versatile condiment that you can slap on everything from rice to a sandwich, you are gonna be obsessed with this.
And it's so easy. Just get the seeds out of your jamuns, toss them in a blender with some fresh mint, a little green chili for a bit of heat, jaggery for sweetness, black salt for that savory depth, and a big squeeze of lemon to make it all pop. Blend it up, and you get this gorgeous, thick, dark paste.
Yeah, this flavor is not playing around. It really does wake up your whole plate. It hits you as sweet, tangy, and spicy all at once. It just makes everything better. And bonus, it's actually great for your digestion.
Okay, need to cool down on a hot day? This drink is like a little party in a glass. It's so refreshing, it's fizzy, it's just fantastic.
So for this, you just smash up your de-seeded jamuns with what the source calls the usual chaos of spices. So black salt, roasted cumin, and some tangy chopped masala. Squeeze in a whole lot of lime juice, pile in the crushed ice, and then top it all off with some ice-cold soda. Give it a stir and watch that incredible purple color take over.
Ah, I love this description, therapy, because it's true. That tangy, salty, sour kick is just so satisfying. It's the kind of drink that cuts right through the heat and just makes you feel instantly better. Okay, let's switch gears. From savory to sweet. Because if you have a sweet tooth, but you're trying to keep things on the healthier side, believe me, Jamun has got your back.
Let's start with this stunning yogurt bowl. I mean, it's almost too pretty to eat. It's the perfect lazy snack or a super light breakfast that takes like 2 seconds to throw together. Seriously, there's no rocket science here. Just whisk some chilled yogurt till it's nice and smooth, swirl in your mashed jamun pulp, and then top it with something crunchy. Nuts, granola, whatever you've got. If your jamuns are a little on the tart side, just a tiny drizzle of honey is perfect. That's it.
And that's the absolute best part, right? It feels like a treat, it looks exciting, but it's actually really good for you. You've got the protein from the yogurt and all those amazing jamun benefits we talked about. Healthy does not have to be boring.
And for our last recipe, this one's for anybody who wants a cold, sweet treat without any of the guilt.
This is the smart way to do dessert for grown-ups and kids.
The steps are as simple as it gets. Just blend up your seedless Jamons, add a little squeeze of lime to brighten it up, and a touch of honey or jaggery just to balance the tartness. Pour that beautiful purple mixture into some popsicle molds and just let your freezer do all the hard work.
And just think about the difference for a second. On one hand, you have a Jamun popsicle that tastes like actual vibrant fruit. On the other hand, you have the typical store-bought thing that's often just a frozen sugar brick with fake flavors. The choice is kind of obvious.
And that brings us right back to where we started. This gorgeous, healthy, absolutely delicious purple jewel is only visiting for a moment. Whether you eat them fresh by the handful, blend them into a chutney, or freeze them into a popsicle, the only real question left is, how are you going to enjoy it before it disappears for another year?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, DG Law Learn, and share it with your friends and family. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see next in the comments below. See you in the next video.